Carlos here. Are you a service area business? Meaning you're a business that goes out to your customers? Well, you should get a Google Business Profile. And in this video, I'm going to show you what it looks like opening a Google Business Profile for your service area business. All right, let's get started. All right, this is where you get started. Once you're ready, go ahead and click on Start Now. Go ahead and put in your business name and your business category. Keep in mind your business category might not be available exactly as you wanted. You can add secondary categories later. Since you're a service area business, you would put no here. So this is your service area. You would start putting in the cities of where you go to meet your customers. You don't have to put all of them, and you are limited to 20. So just put the ones that you know off the top of your head and you can adjust later. Here, put in the phone number of your business, and if you have a website, put it in here. It's highly recommended that you do have a website and that this phone number matches the phone number on your website. I would put yes here because you do get good tips. So you would put your mailing address here. This is not public information, and if it doesn't verify you right away, then it'll send something to this address to verify. Keep an eye out on your mail when you do. For me, I was verified instantly, but yours may require more verification. Here's where you will start to begin adding your services. Again, you don't have to put all of them here. Just put the ones that are on the top of your mind. You can always come back and adjust these as needed. Go ahead and add your business hours here. It's important that you use your actual business hours because Google will call the number to verify that you're open during these hours. If you're a 24-hour business, you need to pick up 24 hours a day. So I would definitely put the hours that you work here. Go ahead and create and add a business description here. Again, you can adjust it later. If you have some photos of your business, add these here. Otherwise, take some and add them here. Go ahead and skip this unless you want in a Google Ads campaign. Just go ahead and hit continue. And that's it. Here is your Google Business Profile ready for you to manage. Now, if you are a business with a physical location, then you would simply put your business address on there, and that will be the only difference. If your phone number is listed somewhere publicly, that tends to verify your profile right away. Otherwise, you'll have to be required to verify somehow. Most of the time, if you're a service area business, it's going to be through mail. If you are a physical location business where people come to you, it'll probably be through video. All right, that's it. I hope this was helpful, and I look forward to seeing what you do with this.